Welcome to Module 12, Lesson 2. You're going to go to page 276. Our I can statement is, I can represent subtraction of two-digit numbers with and without regrouping. So we're going to be using similar strategies to look at regrouping. But this time, we're going to be using subtraction. Let's look at our build understanding. Elena has 42 pennies in a jar. She gives 14 pennies to Mark. How many pennies does Elena have now? The first thing we need to do is show the 42 pennies Elena starts with. Let's go ahead and draw our 4 tens and 2 ones. Now we can look at part B. We know that Elena is going to give 14 pennies to Mark. Are there enough to subtract the 4 ones, right? So this is 110, 4 ones. Are there enough ones to subtract our 4 ones? If you said no, you're correct. We only have 2 ones here. So what we need to do now is regroup one of our 10s. If I were to take this 10 and regroup it into ones, how many ones is equal to 110? There are 10 ones. So I would draw my 10 ones over here. Now I can go ahead and subtract my 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones are left? Go ahead and count. You should have gotten that there were 8 ones left. Now we can subtract our 10 from the 3 tens. So we subtracted our 4 ones, then we subtracted our 10. How many 10s are remaining? If you said 2, that's correct. Now this can get a little tricky because it looks like we still have a 10 here. But this 10 we've regrouped into 10 ones. So let's put together 2 10s, 8 ones. That's equal to 28 pennies. Let's look at the next problem. Theo is working on a puzzle that has 75 pieces. He has used 29 pieces so far. How many pieces have not been used? This picture shows the 75 ones. What you see here is that the problem has already regrouped for us. It tells us to subtract 9 ones from 15 ones to find the difference. Then we'll subtract the 10s. So let's subtract our 9 ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? We subtracted our 9 ones. Now let's look at 29. It has 9 ones and 2 10s. So we've subtracted our 9 ones, and now we can subtract our 2 10s. Remember, this 10 has already been regrouped here. So how many 10s are remaining now? 4. And how many ones? We have our 5 and 1 more. So go ahead and solve. How many puzzle pieces have not been used? If you answered 46, you are correct, because 4 10s and 6 1s is equal to 46. Let's look at our check understanding. Cindy has 31 bug stickers. Gabe has 17 bug stickers. How many more bug stickers does Cindy have than Gabe? This is showing us Cindy's bug stickers. We know that she has 31 and Gabe only has 17. So we need to subtract 17 from 31 to find how many more Cindy has. You're going to need to regroup because 17 is equal to 1 10 and 7 1s. So you'll regroup your 10 and then subtract. Go ahead and solve now. If you need more time, pause the video. When I regroup, I see that I now have 2 10s and 11 1s. Now I can subtract my 7 1s from my 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I can subtract my 1 10. So my answer is 1 10 and 4 1s, or 14 more bug stickers.